Hello, this is Unibase Academy, the academy that shows you the path to success in medical sciences. In this series of videos, I'm gonna teach you biochemistry and whatever related to it. So, let's begin. For the first video, I have chosen some kind of controversial subjects and aspects of biochemistry. But what is it? First of all, I'm gonna talk about the meaning of biochemistry, which can be a little hard or unknown to someone. And the more important aspect I want to talk about is why do we need to learn or study biochemistry? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything from us. What is biochemistry? Back in the 18th century, scientists faced problems that they could not solve using biology or chemistry laws. So they created biochemistry, which is a bridge between biology and chemistry. Biochemistry uses chemistry's microscopic view and biology's microscopic view together in live organisms related aspects. What does it mean? Biology starts big like organs and then goes into cells. And chemistry just talks about what happens inside the cells. But biochemistry uses both of these views and talks about something related to live organisms. Biochemistry has borrowed methods and theories of organic and physical chemistry and applied them to physiological problems. Now, I want to talk about some biochemical aspects indicating how important biochemistry is. Nutrition, digestion, blood, and hormones. Nutrition. Whatever you're eating, whether it's animal related or plant related, can be considered as a part of biochemistry. The act of exploring what our meal is made of at the molecular level and learning what is more nutritious to eat is biochemistry related. Digestion. Whatever happens after eating food is biochemistry related. Proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids can't be used the way we swallow them, so we need to break them down into amino acids, monosaccharides, and fatty acids, which is a huge part of biochemistry. Blood. The ultimate biochemistry-related tissue. Physicians order lab technicians to analyze blood in order to explore characteristics of diseases. Hemoglobin is the most important part of respiration at molecular level, and plasma, which is full of proteins vital for immunity. Hormones, which are the regulators of metabolism. Hormones are explored in three ways: physiological effects, chemical structure, and chemical mechanism of their operation. Genes, DNA, RNA, replication, translation, and etc. are all considered as biochemistry. Why should we learn biochemistry? Up to now, we were talking about what is biochemistry and some aspects for you to know and learn about biochemistry. Now the bigger question, why should we learn biochemistry? I know for many of you, biochemistry is a hard subject to study, but these are some reasons for you make you love this subject. First one, to gain molecular knowledge. Biochemistry is the base of medical sciences. To gain molecular knowledge, biochemistry is a broad field of study. Although it is seen as just the study of life processes at the molecular level, it finds wide application in various areas like pharmacy, medicine, genetics, molecular biology, biotechnology, and etc. Biochemistry is in our everyday lives. Each of our daily routines depends on biochemical activities. For example, biochemical techniques advance our perspective of viewing the chemical characteristics and processes that occur in any living organism on a daily basis. The changes in our mood are also linked to biochemical processes such as hormonal changes in our body. Innovative. Variety of opportunities will be available in science by biochemistry. Biochemistry is an evolving field, and so are the diverse opportunities available. Studying biochemistry allows you to think outside of the box, to come up with experimental research and analysis with the goal of solving human problems, such as so many diseases. Biochemistry is crucial in medical sciences. Clinical biochemistry is one of the branches of biochemistry that focuses on diagnosing and managing various diseases and disorders, especially those affecting biochemical processes in the human body. Biochemistry is the key to developing effective therapies and producing drugs for treating various health conditions, such as cancers. Biochemistry is fundamental to cell signaling. Biochemistry studies cell signaling, also known as cell communication, which is the ability of cells to receive, process, and transmit specific signals. Cell signaling is the key to regulating some of our body's essential functions and cell activities, such as cell growth, division, differentiation, and others. Biochemistry is essential for understanding metabolism. Whenever you eat or drink, your body initiates the breakdown of complex molecules into simpler compounds. The process is known as metabolism, a set of chemical reactions through which food is converted into energy, and then we can use that energy to do whatever we want, such as studying biochemistry.